Welcome back to the shop, guys. I'm Greg from Masterson's Car Care, and we're back with the E60 project car. Now we've done the interior, we've cleaned the seats, we've cleaned the leather steering wheel. Now we're doing the carpet, and we vacuumed the whole interior of this BMW, but I want to make sure that the carpet is protected. It's winter time coming up right now in only like 2 weeks, so we want to make sure that the whole interior is ready to go and protected. Plus, we want to take this skiing, so might as well make sure that our interior is all protected. Now, I took the floor mats out, they're all clean and ready to go, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to protect it with our Masterson's Fabric Protectant. Now, this is the world's most advanced coating for all fabric and upholstery surfaces. You can pick this up right now on our website, mastersonswax.com. Now, the cool thing about this product is it's a coating designed for fabric and upholstery that resists UV solar rays and stains from moisture and soda and wine and food and everything that can stain and harm your carpet. So this is great for floor mats, upholstery, and fabric seats as well. Now, this is super easy to apply. We're going to show you how to apply it to the carpet. So let's come down and show you guys what we're going to do today. Now, I've already cleaned the carpet right here. What you want to do is take the floor mats out of the car. So I went and took the floor mats out of our BMW, and I'm out here in the sun. If you want to do this, the best time to do it is in the sun, because the fabric protectant is going to dry faster and cure faster. So I've taken the floor mats out, I've vacuumed them up, I've brushed off any type of dirt that's on the carpet itself. I've also cleaned the BMW emblem right here. I used a little bit of our super cleaner and cleaned it up so it was a little bit dark. Now it's this nice original gray look. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray them with our Masterson's Fabric Protectant. Now, the first thing you want to do is shake this up real good, activate it, and we'll start with this one and then we'll work our way over. So let's take our Masterson's Fabric Protectant, and what we're going to do is we're going to spray a light coat over the carpet, and then we're going to wait 5 minutes, and then we're going to spray a heavier coat over the carpet. So come over here, guys, watch what we're going to do. Just a light coat. There we go. That's a nice light coat. Let's move on to the next one. There we go. Take this. Now notice how I'm just giving it a light spray and fanning it out across. There we go. Light coat. There we go. Let's move on to the next one. There we go, nice light coat. If you get any little specks of dirt, if you're doing this outside, don't worry, you can just pick it right off. It's not gonna harm the coating as well. Now come over to the last one, there we go. And last one. There we go. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wait about 5 to 10 minutes till this dries. It's out here in the sun. It's a nice 75-degree day. So what's gonna happen is it's gonna dry real quick. I'm gonna come back and feel the carpet, and then once it's dry, we're gonna apply our last heavy coat. We'll see you in a few minutes. What's up, guys? We're back. It's been 10 minutes. I felt the carpet. The carpet is ready to be applied with our second coat of our Masterson's Fabric Protectant. Now, you can apply as many coats as you like of this product to your carpet. You want extra protection? Apply 3-4 coats. 2 coats is going to be great for us in California. It's going to get maximum full coverage. So if you just want full coverage over the whole entire fabric, go ahead and apply 2 coats, 1 light coat, 1 heavier coat. So let's go down to the carpet. Let's go ahead and give it a few more sprays. So come down, guys. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my Masterson's Fabric Protectant, and let's go ahead and spray a nice heavier coat over the carpet. Now you notice this is a little bit heavier than our last coat. This is just to give full coverage to all of the fabric. There we go. Okay. Now let's come over to this next one. Let's give a nice heavier coat. Let's shake up our bottle again. Now I'm not overdoing it. I'm just making sure that there's a nice even coverage over the whole interior fabric. Now the cool thing about this is it does not discolor black. So you notice this black, it did not discolor it. It kept it its original dark black look, because if you guys notice on other types of fabric protectants, you might spray it on the fabric and it might discolor. This one will never discolor. It will never change the color. So if you have gray carpet, if you have black carpet, it's gonna stay black, it's gonna stay gray. Plus it's gonna work on all color carpets as well. So if you have tan carpet, you have red carpet, this is gonna work on it as well. Let's go ahead and give our thicker coats to this carpet. There you go. And let's go ahead and give this one. Here we go. I think that's perfect. Okay, so we're gonna wait about another 5-10 minutes in the sun. Wait till this is ready to go. Then once this is dry and ready to go, we're gonna put this back in the car and show you guys the result. We'll see you guys in a few minutes. Okay guys, we're back after 10 minutes, and our Masterson's Fabric Protectant coating has dried on our carpet. The results are fantastic. The results are dry to the touch, and we have this amazing protection on the carpet. That's one thing that I really love. If you guys do it outside and you get little like dirt or specks of anything on the carpet, go ahead and just pull it right off. It's not going to affect the carpet. You want to just make sure that this dries in the sun, because if it dries in the sun, it's going to dry better and bond to the carpet a lot better than if you just do it inside in your garage. So make sure you do this right outside, clean it indoors, then take it outside, spray the coating, and it's going to dry extremely fast. Now these carpets are ready to go back in the car. We're going to place them right inside our BMW project car, and then our interior is clean and ready to drive. And that's because our Masterson's fabric protectant is fast and easy. The world's easiest fabric coating for any type of fabric and upholstery. Just make sure you vacuum your carpets and you clean the carpets if they're dirty. The dealership that we got this car from actually hot water extracted the carpets before we got the car, so we got lucky right there. And then we took our Masterson super cleaner, cleaned up the BMW logo, and cleaned up a few little spots that were missed just to make the car perfect. Then we took our Masterson's fabric protectant, applied our 2 coats, and now our fabric is ready to go for the winter. And this is going to last a full 12 months. So we won't have to do this till next year, which is amazing. So if you want to pick up our Masterson's fabric protectant, hop over to our website, mastersonswax.com, where you can get everything you need to get your car looking great. Now we're going to move on to the outside of this BMW, get some more videos made. If you want to check out more of our E60 project, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Check out all the other videos we have right here on this channel. We're going to get filming some more videos. We'll see you next time. Always remember, have fun, stay clean, and keep on detailing.